Zarna, Zarna, Zarna. So, Miss Humungus. Yes, I dare. So, what do we do with somebody with such useless opinions? Who doesn't care about anything? What do you do with them? A friend of mine recently told me, you gotta be careful when you're talking about somebody like Zarna, because you are talking about somebody who is mentally insane, who is not fully there. And, well, I hadn't really considered it. But, you look at some of the things she says. Well, here, okay, so one in a gazillion cops is tainted like this. And you put trigger warning. Yeah. Who's triggered? Nobody but you. Come on, Zarna. Now, tell you what we'll do. We'll look through some of your stuff. This is... Okay, I can give you... It's bad that police do these things. But let's look at some of your other stuff. Oh, that's a constant talk you give. Photos, oh yeah. Lower crime. What? Where'd it go? Or did I miss it? Oh, it's here. That's where it went. It's at the top of your page. This is where I get frustrated with you, Zarna. I don't care who is celebrating Holly. And it is okay. They can all celebrate Holly. You left your Hindu country and you came out here, and now you're mad because we have people out here who enjoy your festival. And you want to tell us, look at this, you want to tell us when we can get, what time it is when we can get drunk. And when you have your festival, nobody else is supposed to be getting drunk. Oh, because they have privilege. And the fact that they get drunk during your celebration of Holly is a bastardizing of their schmucks. Right there, schmucks. And they're bastardizing our culture. And now you want to criticize, what, how many of the parents? All of them? In India? Who are proud? Yeah, they have no idea what failures there are as parents. You know what? Let's venture a guess that your parents aren't too proud of you. Come on. You say silly crap all the time, and we're supposed to accept it. And yeah, I get, you probably have mental issues. There's just very few reasons I can think of that somebody would go screaming at somebody, chase after somebody. Like, you are not a friendly person, at least not to Humungus. And I saw the video. You started when he was talking to the police and he was talking to the media, and you already were name calling him and calling him a troll, I believe it was. So you stalk people, you stalk other people, and then you shouted names at him, and he's running away from you. So, who is the schmuck? And who has the right to say other people are failure as parents because they failed Zarna, you make a wild statement here. You say all these parents in India failed to teach their children any wisdom at all. And that's coming from you. Mind you, when you left India, and you seem to dress very American, you seem to have left all of India. I wonder what Indian culture are you trying to teach us here? It's okay to shout at people, to scream and yell? It's okay to act like a complete fool? I don't know. Or is it true I should back off because you're mentally insane and this is the wrong thing to do to somebody who's mentally insane? They need help. I think everybody can agree. Zarna, you need help. Or should we call you Mrs. Hughmungus? I don't know. Maybe that should be your new name. Maybe it'll be your new internet name. Well, thanks for being silly, Zarna. You give me something to talk about. And I'll keep pointing out your silliness. There's no point to stopping. You won't stop. I don't think I should have to stop. All right. Go ahead and bash your culture more. Call them all failures as parents. And failures to teach their children any wisdom at all. And I'm going to be happy on this Holly. And I'm going to drink and celebrate your sacred festival. Well, no, not really. But I'll be drinking anyways, so doesn't really matter. Anyways, that's all I have to say about Zarna today. Have a good YouTube day. Thanks for watching. And possibly subscribe.